Okay guys, I'm on my way to the gym. I am going to try to get a 30-minute walk in, and then I'll check back with you guys later. So we have the cage-free eggs. I'm gonna get eggs because they are acceptable on our challenge, our Clean Keto challenge. So remember, we are not supposed to have nut milk, any nuts or legumes either. So we're passing up the heavy cream this month. Oh, this is so hard. The avocados are more than they were last month. I think they were 5 something last month. So, but I'm here for either avocados or guacamole. I'm bypassing the things that I don't need, but I am going to show you guys some of the new items at Costco. So Costco has these prepped salmon, and if you don't know how to make it, it's usually a good idea to get these. But if you look at the ingredients, it says milk, and I believe that's in their butter mixture. And on the challenge, we cannot have them. But generally on keto, this would be a good idea. So this is a new product at Costco. It is $9.99. And it's a organic cauliflower mash. So I flipped one over so you can see the nutrition information and the ingredients. It has a host of ingredients. So basically milk products, a lot of seasonings. I do see some starches in here, cornstarch. I don't think I would get this even if I wasn't doing the challenge. But for those of you who are looking for new items at Costco, they have organic cauliflower mash. So I see a lot of people on keto buy these skewers, but I flipped one over to look at the nutrition facts and the ingredients. And it contains potato starch. That's a negative for me. Here's another new item at my Costco. I don't really know what it is, well, how to pronounce it, broccoli cubo. And if you look at the ingredients, well, here are the nutrition facts. My phone's going off. So it's very low in carbs, and the ingredients are broccoli, eggs, mayonnaise, soybean oil, modified food starch, carrageenan, things that I'm going to stay away from. So, but those of you who like this item, it's here at Costco. So I did find these Sabatinos chicken sausages. It says they are paleo. It's an organic basil, cracked black pepper, and you flip it over, and the ingredients are pretty clean. So it's the chicken, basil, roasted garlic. I don't see any kind of starches, salts, additional oils. So I would get this, but I don't want basil flavored sausages this time. But next time I will. So also they have the Teton Waters Ranch Polish sausage. These are at Costco often, but I don't think I've purchased this brand. And looking at the ingredients, can you see them? So it's sea salt, vinegar, spices, paprika, celery powder. This is very clean. And they have another one. It's $13.99. It's a salt and pepper sausage. You guys know that rings a bell for me because I love everything pepper. So here's the brand and the nutrition information. There's so many people in this Costco, guys. And the ingredients are very, very clean. Okay, this looks new to me. It is a Good Foods avocado salsa. This is what it looks like. Has all the nice good things on the package, on the cover, but let's see the ingredients. We have tomatillos, avocados, water, cilantro. Very clean. I'm definitely grabbing one of these. Hey guys, I'm over here. I'm gonna check the back of the package of strawberries. I mean, we can't have lots of fruit on keto in general, but you definitely want a product that says just straight strawberries, no sweeteners added. So I am grabbing these. So new at my Costco are the organic Collie Tots. I am not gonna grab these, but I do want to show you guys. This is a new item here. But as we know, I always need to grab my broccoli. So the organic broccoli from Costco, superb. Okay guys, Costco has these chicken patties. They may have already had them, but they moved them to a different area, I think. But I haven't showed them on my channel. They're the grilled chicken patties. And looking at the nutrition information, come on, it's so blurry. The nutrition facts, pretty good. And the ingredients, oh, it has sugar. So, gotta go back. They have the chicken bone broth. This is what it looks like. And here are the nutrition facts. I don't see any sweeteners. It has turmeric. I think this is definitely acceptable, either on the challenge or not. So this is new. It looks like a dried cauliflower rice. Earthly choice. Let me come to the light with this here. It says it's better for you. They're microwavable and obviously shelf stable. That's crazy. And the only thing in it is cauliflower and water and malic acid. I think the acid is to make it shelf stable. That's definitely a new item. So I'm definitely not getting these, but it's not available in all Costco's. So take a look where the bread and the chips are and look for cheese whiz or the moon cheese. So these are very good on keto and Costco. And if you didn't know, Costco has the cold pressed avocado oil. I mean, not avocado oil, coconut oil. And it's a great price. And it's a huge, huge, huge container. Okay guys, here are my items that I picked up from Costco. I have the organic broccoli florets, the strawberries. I picked up a spinach and artichoke dip for my daughter. Well, two of them, they loved it. I got me these grass-fed sausages. Actually, they're Polish sausage, I believe. I showed you guys earlier. Here is the avocado salsa. I've already ripped open a pack of avocados because I needed to have breakfast. I have the cage-free eggs and non-food items. I needed to pick up some Dove soap. So that's it for this Costco haul. Check back with you guys later.